Hey everyone, welcome back to the Oraanj interior design channel. Today, we're exploring the best interior design styles to try in 2025. Whether you're looking to update your home, redesign an office, or simply stay ahead of the latest trends, we'll walk you through some exciting and timeless interior styles that are making waves this year. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know about our latest design tips and ideas. Let's dive right in. So why are interior design styles so important? Well, your space says a lot about you. It reflects your personality, supports your lifestyle, and can even affect your mood. The right design can make a small space feel open, a cluttered space feel organized, and an empty space feel like home. Plus, a well-designed room can have practical benefits, making your day-to-day life easier and more enjoyable. Let's start with one of the biggest trends right now, modern organic. It's all about combining clean, modern lines with natural organic materials. Think light wood tones, linen fabrics, and muted colors like sage, beige, and warm whites. This style focuses on creating a sense of calm and simplicity, which is great for anyone looking to create a stress-free environment. To achieve a modern organic look, start with a neutral base and layer in natural elements. For example, you could add a wooden coffee table, some woven baskets for storage, and maybe a couple of indoor plants for that touch of greenery. This style works well in living rooms, bedrooms, and even home offices where a peaceful vibe is key. Moving on to our next style, Japandi. Japandi is a fusion of Japanese and Scandinavian design elements. It's minimal, functional, and heavily inspired by nature, just like the modern organic style, but with an added touch of elegance and precision. With Japandi, you'll find furniture with clean lines, low profiles, and a mix of neutral and darker hues. In a Japandi-inspired room, you might use matte black fixtures, low wooden furniture, and lots of negative space. This design philosophy embraces less is more, so only include items that serve a purpose or bring you joy. This style is great for small spaces because it's minimal but still feels warm and welcoming. Industrial style is next on our list, and it's a look that's been popular for quite a while now. Originally inspired by warehouse and factory spaces, industrial style features raw, unfinished elements like exposed brick, metal pipes, and concrete floors. It's perfect if you want to create a rugged, edgy atmosphere in your home or workspace. To incorporate industrial elements into your space, start by exposing any natural materials you have, like a brick wall or wooden beams. If you don't have these, try adding metal shelving, leather furniture, or a vintage-style pendant light. Industrial style works especially well in open-plan spaces or lofts, where you can really embrace that raw, spacious look. Now, if you're someone who loves a bit of glamour, then Art Deco might be the style for you. This is a timeless, luxurious style that first emerged in the 1920s and has been making a big comeback. Art Deco is all about bold geometric patterns, rich colors, and elegant materials like marble, velvet, and polished metals. For an Art Deco-inspired room, try using deep jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, or ruby red, paired with gold or brass accents. A statement mirror, velvet sofa, or marble coffee table are all iconic Art Deco touches. This style is perfect for spaces where you want a bit of drama and sophistication, like a dining room or a bedroom. On the other hand, if you're after something more casual and down-to-earth, you might like Bohemian style. Bohemian, or boho, is all about expressing individuality through a mix of colors, patterns, and textures. This is a very laid-back, eclectic style that encourages you to showcase your personality and the things you love. To get a boho look, start by layering different textures. Think patterned rugs, macrame wall hangings, and lots of comfy cushions. Don't be afraid to mix colors and styles. You can even add personal items like travel souvenirs, vintage finds, or handmade artwork. Bohemian style is ideal for anyone who wants a cozy, vibrant space that feels truly unique. Another style gaining popularity is transitional design. Transitional style is a blend of traditional and contemporary design elements, so it's classic but with a modern twist. It's all about balance, pairing clean, modern furniture with more ornate, traditional pieces. In a transitional space, you might combine a sleek, contemporary sofa with an antique coffee table, or use classic wainscoting on the walls, but keep the furniture more minimal. This style works well in most rooms and suits people who want a timeless look that won't go out of style too quickly. For a more traditional look with a fresh twist, grand millennial style has become a major trend, sometimes called granny chic. It's a modern take on classic, vintage-inspired decor. Think floral patterns, ruffles, vintage china, and needlepoint pillows, but styled in a way that feels updated and youthful. To create a grand millennial look, go for patterned wallpaper, classic furniture pieces like a tufted sofa, and vintage-inspired decor. But to keep it modern, pair these elements with contemporary colors and clean lines. It's perfect for anyone who loves a bit of nostalgia but doesn't want their home to feel too old-fashioned. Minimalism is another timeless style that continues to be popular. This style is all about simplicity and functionality, with a less is more approach. Minimalism embraces clean lines, neutral colors, and an uncluttered look. To create a minimalist space, start by clearing away any unnecessary items. Choose furniture and decor that serve a purpose, and stick to a limited color palette, usually whites, grays, and soft earth tones. This style is perfect if you crave a calm, organized space that allows you to focus on what truly matters. If you're looking for a more country-inspired style, modern farmhouse might be for you. This style blends rustic charm with modern touches, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Key elements include reclaimed wood, shiplap walls, and vintage-style fixtures. For a modern farmhouse look, mix natural wood and metal finishes, add some vintage decor, and use a neutral color palette with pops of black or navy. This style works beautifully in kitchens and living rooms, where you want a cozy yet polished feel. Finally, we have Mediterranean style, inspired by the coastal regions of Spain, Italy, and Greece. This style is all about bringing a bit of that sun-drenched, beachy feel indoors, with warm colours, natural textures, and an emphasis on indoor-outdoor living. In a Mediterranean-inspired space, look for natural stone floors, terracotta pots, wrought iron accents, and plenty of greenery. Colours are typically warm and earthy, like terracotta, ochre, and soft blues. This style is perfect for anyone looking to create a relaxed, holiday-like atmosphere at home. So there you have it, the top interior design styles to try in 2025. From modern, organic to Mediterranean, there's something here for everyone, no matter your taste or lifestyle. Let's recap the key points. Modern organic style creates a calm, natural space. Japandi brings in minimalist, nature-inspired elegance. Industrial style adds a rugged edge, while Art Deco adds luxury and sophistication. Bohemian is perfect for those who love color and personal expression, while transitional offers a classic balanced look. Grand Millennial gives a fresh twist on vintage decor, and minimalism provides simplicity and focus. For rustic charm, go for modern farmhouse, and for a coastal feel, consider Mediterranean style. If you enjoyed this video and want more design inspiration, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you're the first to see our new content. I'd love to know which style resonates most with you, so drop a comment down below and let's start a conversation. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.